Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's talk about a new everyday carry organizer idea. There are so many great organizer ideas like the equipment from Maxpedition. You have different compartments, slots and sections to organize your everyday carry equipment. But I was looking for an organizer in a wallet size and I found this City Med Pouch from M-Tac. This organizer was designed to carry your first aid equipment in a compact size, for example in an urban environment. EDC toolkits are always unique depending on your specific needs. I put a few samples inside so you can see the different options to carry your everyday carry equipment in this pouch. We have the reflective lettering on the outside and we have a ripstop material. When you open the hook and loop section, you can unfold the organizer. We have 3 different compartments, 1, 2, 3. In the third compartment we find a loop section that's perfect to organize small everyday carry items. Let's go through the different tools inside. First of all, I love to carry a small microfiber towel like this one. I need this compact, cheap and lightweight item to clean my camera, to clean my displays, to clean, for example, my sunglasses and my binoculars. In the next section I carry the Pocket Wrench 2. I think the Pocket Wrench 2 is a great sample because you can see that you can store pry bars for EDC in this size in this organizer. One of the most popular EDC flashlights, this is the Phoenix E05R. A perfect little flashlight for the keychain or your everyday carry toolkit organizer. It's rechargeable via USB-C. And you can also see that a standard keychain flashlight fits perfectly in this organizer. A great cutting option is always useful. This is the Opinel number 6 with a carbon steel blade. I like the combination of the lightweight wood handle, the locking mechanism of the blade and the cutting performance. The perfect option for your fries with currywurst, this is the EDC fork from DIRK WANGER. Some people like to carry a fire starting option and this version from Exotec fits perfectly inside. You can unscrew the cap so you have the fire steel. And when you unscrew the next side you have a striker. And when you screw the cap of the fire steel to the other side, you have the perfect handle and a great grip to start the fire. You are ready to go. And another cool feature of this item is that you can unscrew and replace the fire steel. Unscrew it, screw a new version in and you are ready to go. A Victorinox is always necessary. This one is the Victorinox Manager. Instead of the toothpick, you have a small pen, always useful in an urban environment. Let's talk about the other tools. You have excellent scissors, a small blade, you have a combination tool with a Phillips head screwdriver tip, a bottle opener and a wire bender, and you also have a nail cleaning tool with a nail file, a nail cleaning tip, and the nail cleaning tip also works as a small flathead screwdriver. Last but not least, we have the tweezers and the keyring. I hope you get some new ideas for a new organizer design for your everyday carry equipment. And surely this organizer is also a great option for your first aid kit. Please let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts when it comes to this small organizer.